We are standing here in the courtyard of our beautiful new listing in the Ironworks building. My name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and welcome to 515 Chatham Street.
This unit offers the perfect opportunity to step into the urban island lifestyle of your dreams with the best of Victoria's shopping, fitness, entertainment, and dining, all within walking distance of your own haven in the city.
Now, this unit is perfect for whether you're looking for an investment opportunity or getting your toes into the market. And for under $500,000, this unit includes all furniture and even a parking stall.